What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this look is a bit old. I already have a video on this installed, but I figured I'd show you guys how I got this color. So for starters, this was a bomb curly unit I got from SunKissed hair. I don't actually remember the inches or anything. I'm pretty sure I stated it in my other video where I actually installed this, but I just got this black curly unit. So I just went in and figured I'd go in and add a few little highlights and lowlights and just liven up this look. Here are all the tools I used. So I used a 40 volume developer from Salon Care. I used BW2. I think I did use my quick blue bleach as well. I also have these foils that I got from Sally's. They are the half sheets. And I also have some gloves. You definitely don't want to burn your hands with the bleach. I've done that too many times. I also have this nice little painting balayage board I got off Amazon that was really helpful during this. Of course, a comb, and then you, of course, want your bowl and your brush. So for starters, I just went in on the front and you see me doing a little weaving technique, just pulling out a few hairs along the hairline, and then I'll start with the bottom one and then skip the next one and grab the one after that and skip that one and grab the one after that. Just so that you can have a natural kind of look going on. You don't want the whole front to be bleached. It's not going to give that same effect. So I'm just going in with my little board that I told you guys I got from Amazon. Like you can see, it's so easy to work with. I really love it. And I'm just literally painting that color on. And for these pieces, because they were in the front and I wanted them to be a bit lighter, I do go in and foil these pieces. I don't foil all of them, just a few of them. So we have some pieces that are lighter because of course they're going to process faster, and then some that are darker. So now for the pieces in the back, like I said, I didn't foil all of them, but this whole process is pretty repetitive and easy to do for beginners because it's really a simple color. What I'm doing is I'm just going in and I'm just coating most of the ends, and then you'll see me sort of feather out the bleach at the top because we don't want any bluntness in this color, so you want to kind of feather that out so that it comes in naturally. And this is everything so far. My favorite thing was that these curls did not lose texture when being bleached. So now we're just going in and doing the same thing for the back. I'm just going in and I'm just putting this bleach all over the strands. I did go a bit higher back here. And then for these pieces, I actually do go in and foil these. Like I said, I wanted some pieces to be lighter and some to be darker. And when I was doing this color, I did go in and do rows. So I would like skip a row and leave that part not color, and then I go to the row above it and then color that one. And then for those rows, I did do the weaving technique again, and I put out pretty big chunks because I didn't want this to be like super small highlights. I wanted it to be more of a chunky highlighted situation. And here is the color after going in and washing everything out. As you can see, we do have some more lighter pieces in here. We really have those more blonder pieces towards the front, and then we do have some warm brown pieces. Now, I didn't go in and use a toner on this color because I did want everything to be more warm for my skin tone. I did, however, go in on the pieces that were in the front with the purple shampoo. And because I'm never satisfied with anything, I had to go in and add a few more pieces because I did feel like I didn't color enough. So now you'll just see me go back in and just color a few more pieces and just add in a little more color because it was not colored enough for me. I wanted like way more of the color in my head, so I did go in and add a little more color. And then here is just a little clip of me going in and plucking this hairline. As you guys can see, it's pretty simple. I'm just going in and plucking backwards and pulling out a few hairs. Now, I don't officially have an end video for this one that I'm actually recording, so I just put in that clip at the beginning, which was from the other video. This is why you didn't hear me talking in that video, because it was me talking about something else in the different video. And then at the end of this video, I'll just put in a little clip of how this wig looked before I went in and glued it down, but it was actually on my head. In here you can kind of see the color on me. As you guys can see, I have a lot of that color framing my face, and I just was so absolutely in love with this unit. And this is like the finished color product. It's a bit frizzy because I was combing it out from my plucking. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know in the comments below. Leave a like, and if you don't already, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.